So we're staying at a campsite here, and Hannah was in the bathroom, and suddenly this big flightless bird, doesn't really have any wings on it that we can tell, just came and poked his head under the door. It was really tame. He's coming right up to us. A minute or so ago he was running after smaller birds along the ground. They would fly away, and he stopped. He's not a kiwi, he doesn't have a long beak, but similar size to a kiwi. I know New Zealand has a lot of flightless birds still, although they're very much in the minority because they've been hunted nearly to extinction. So I'd love to know what this one is. Yeah. He's a bit as big as a hen, maybe a little taller.
Well, I got this part of my life, and so did it. It was jumping out the door.
Oh, don't eat that. Look, there's one. Just run like we mammals across the ground.